Well, thank you very much, Mike, and welcome to the debut of Victor Wembanyama. The most anticipated NBA debut since LeBron James 20 years ago is Jeremy Sohan.
Guys like Grant Williams, drafting Derek Lively, getting Maxi Kleber and Josh Green back, who were injured at times last year as Luka hits the step-back three.
Part of this young core for the Spurs, inked a 5-year, $135 million extension. Doncic, gorgeous setup, and Kleber knocks down the three.
So Kleber, that's...
And obviously, Wembanyama central to that. There it is, the first points in the career.
And the first score for him is a three-point shot. Just shows that the defense in the league is going to be in trouble for a long time.
And Johnson adds to it. Wembanyama's debut as we send things over to Cassidy Hubbard.
Thanks, Ryan. Victor Wembanyama has been described as the greatest prospect ever to enter the NBA, and his head coach, Greg Popovich.
As Sohan on the attack couldn't finish it. Doncic pushing pace for the Mavericks. They're trying to play with more haste this season, and Doncic goes right to the rack and then flexes afterward. Jeremy Sohan, who shot it at just 24% from three as a rookie, and now a steal. Johnson off and running with Vassell. Vassell to the rack!
He played against a team that had seven NBA guys, seven former NBA guys on that roster, and he was able to produce.
And produces again right there on a three, so 2 field goals for Wembanyama, both from downtown. Well, to your point, JJ, he was the youngest MVP ever of his league in France, as Hardaway Jr. now with 12 off the bench.
Well, Tim Hardaway Jr., by design, went under both of those ball screens, and Jones with the confident stroke.
Wow, speaking of confidence, how about Lively climbing the ladder? I'm here for the facts, you know?
Thank you for giving us context.
I let you two provide the humor.
It's good to see Dante Exum back in the league.
And hit the three, Sohan the rebound. Sohan has it deflected to Johnson. Sohan will fire and hit another. Jeremy Sohan with his second three of the night. 50-45, San Antonio in front. Doncic pedals his way into the paint. The patience and the finish. Luka Doncic with 12, 6, and 6, and a timeout taken by the Spurs.
Don't expect me to throw lobs. I'll give you a really mean bounce pass.
One of the things Greg Popovich has been working on with his team as Williams hits the corner three to tie it at 52. Hardaway Jr., not that time, kept alive, but right to Branham. Here's Jones zipping into the paint, right to the cup. Dre Jones, Greg Popovich absolutely loves coaching. Irving fading away. His ability.
Right there, be deliberate, go into a simple hook shot, make the defense react.
Right, what you were asking for earlier in the game. Irving blasts baseline and finishes through the body.
And now he's having to establish that with the culture, and I think he's got a great group of young guys that are very receptive, but this is the first time that Pop has had to be the culture builder.
Here's Johnson zipping into the paint, gets denied by Kleber, but another chance here. Vassell connects.
He gives you all of that confidence. Now, don't do things outside of what he tells you, because then you're entering into danger zone.
Collins applies.
Because you have to respect Grant Williams' ability to shoot the three.
Wembanyama gives it up. Collins looking to take Lively. The reverse finish from Zach Collins, who's had some really nice moments tonight for San Antonio. Doncic lobbing it up. Lively, great hands. And the finish, and Greg Popovich wants a timeout. And a quick timeout from Greg Popovich after Dallas adjusted here in the second half, starting the rookie Derek Lively, the 12th pick of this year's draft. As Sohan able to beat Lively to the rim for the flush. Doncic, the hezzy, the dish. Lively couldn't grab it. Jones Jr., oh no. Lively able to persist, and Dallas has its first lead of the night.
Well, and then when you have a player like that mentoring you, former defensive player of the year, we know how important Tyson Chandler was to them winning a championship. But Derek Lively with the big finish. Okay, I see you, young fella.
Here's Collins trying to work the rookie. Collins floats it up and in. Zach Collins with 14 points tonight.
Shooting touch.
19 for Vassell. Doncic step back three is good.
And that's the second time tonight that the Dallas Mavericks have elected to go under a Trey Jones pick and roll, and he's made him pay.
Off the steal, Jones the get ahead. Osman the lay. 25 assists now for San Antonio tonight. Here's Irving working his way through, flinging out. Kleber connects and ties it at 91. 10 seconds left. Here Jason Kidd reminding his team, one shot. Green will fire and bank it in. Josh Green. How impressed Greg Popovich has been with the maturity of Victor Wembanyama, handling the attention as Johnson gets free to oop the alley on the delivery from Sohan. Doncic with 23, 11, and 8. Doncic. Oh, wow. How about that fake? Luka Doncic. 8 to shoot. It settles with Doncic. Backing down Johnson. Doncic off one leg. Oh, baby. Luka Doncic dialed in.
We're watching 2-3 guys get 3 free throws every single night. That was my point, JJ, to be clear.
Eldon Johnson on the attack. Lays it in, plus the foul. Grant Williams gets whistled for the personal. Here's Irving. Bounces into Sohan, banks it in, plus the foul, and a chance for 3 for Kyrie. Irving left alone. Back iron, no. Williams keeps it alive. Here's Hardaway. Back to Williams, who lays it in. Vassell from 3. Too strong. Wembanyama getting ready to check back in for San Antonio. Here's Williams. He got it.
So it's going to take time before he's able to be compared to greatness like that. But I think he has the ability to be better than both of them before this is all done. We know Kyrie, one of the best crunch time players in the league. He can have a quiet night.
Wembanyama connects on a 3. Rebound, knocked back to him. His 3 rolls off, but look at Lively soaring in for the flush. Off to Kleber, catch, fire, no. Rebound Jones, chance for San Antonio. Wemby the deep catch, the turn, and the flush, plus the foul. Osman on the switch, 10 to shoot. Doncic, double comes. Into the corner, Williams left alone. He got it. On a 3, timeout San Antonio.
He had a five-minute stretch of multiple plays, a 3-minute stretch of multiple plays. They're not running offense through him all the time.
Wemby,
So a lot of times, that's what it will be. It will be these quick bursts like right now.
Jones, Vassell, Wembanyama, and Johnson for San Antonio. Doncic into the paint, waits, banks, plus the foul. With Johnson now switched on him. Doncic to the free throw line. In the corner, Irving, he got it. Johnson forced it up, got it back, can't put it in. Sohan has it knocked away by Doncic. 3-on-1, Irving to the rim, lays it in. Irving guarded by Wembanyama. Irving, no. Rebound, Lively. And another chance here for Dallas to run more clock. Wembanyama remains on Irving. Shot clock at 4. Doncic. The step back 3. You bet! And on the night that Victor Wembanyama debuts, it is the Dallas Mavericks who emerge victorious. 126-119, the final in San Antonio.